And here it is, the new KBC DriveSafe app. The app that records your driving style and gives feedback and tips. You can also share your driving stats with a coach to help you better understand your driving style. A handy way in helping you become an experienced driver. Ready to go? Hit the Start button on your dashboard. The DriveSafe app won't give any feedback during your journey, so put away your smartphone. Finished your journey? When you're done, hit the Stop button on your dashboard. To upload the data for a journey, you need to be connected to a 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi network. At the end of the journey, you'll see the overall score that's based on speed, eco-driving style and the use of your smartphone during the drive. Just tap the circle to get feedback on how you're driving. You'll also see which level of driving you've reached, the number of kilometers you've driven and how far away you are from being rewarded in your deal. But we'll come back to that bit later. When you swipe left in the dashboard, you see more details and get specific feedback on speed, eco-driving and distractions whilst driving. And you can also view your speed and eco-driving performances on a map. You see where you were speeding, when you braked too sharply or when you accelerated too quickly. You can also see how you drove in each speed limit zone and get other zone-specific information. You can view these details for the previous 5 journeys. Swipe to the left again and you'll come to the All Journeys screen, where you get specific feedback on these features. You can also add a coach. After signing up and logging in as a driver, you get a message in the app with a PIN and link to the website for coaches. You can pass this info to your coach and they can sign up at drivesafe.kbc.be. Once the coach is signed up, they can log in. In the dashboard, they can see the scores for all your journeys, along with specific feedback. They also see the information for each journey. Your coach only sees general information on your driving style. It means they won't see when you've been behind the wheel and actually driven. If you're a driver, you can also make a deal with your coach. The coach takes the initiative here and goes to the Deal in the Coach portal. They select the categories they consider important, such as speed, eco-driving style, distractions whilst driving, or a combination of them. They then choose the targeted number of credits to be earned. You get 1 credit for every kilometre driven perfectly according to the chosen criteria. If your coach wants to reward you when you've hit the target, they can specify a reward too. After tapping Save, the deal will be stored and appear shortly afterwards in your app. You can also upload an image of your reward. During your deal, your coach is free to award you bonus points too. If you go into Settings and select Auto Start, the app will run in the background. When the app detects certain speeds, it will record them along with other data. After finishing the journey, you can indicate whether or not it was a genuine drive. You can check your driving style each week or month under History in the app or coach portal and compare it with other drivers. You can earn badges by driving carefully. When you're in this view, you can see any badges you've already earned and those you can still earn, as well as the level of experience you've reached. And now we've some useful tips for you. Make sure your smartphone's GPS is switched on while you're driving. For Android devices, tap Settings, then Location and select High Accuracy under Mode. For iOS devices, tap Settings, then DriveSafe and select Always under Location. Always make sure that your smartphone is visible in your car. Data connection is not required while driving. If you have an iPhone and use the automatic start function, make sure that KBC DriveSafe is running in the background. To learn more about KBC DriveSafe, feel free to visit our KBC DriveSafe website. Right now, you're ready to safely take to the road with KBC DriveSafe.